So, we're taking the freaking Speed to a Honda meet. Let's see how that goes. What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a brand new video. Right now, I'm gonna take my Speed to a freaking Honda meet. So it's being hosted by a local YouTuber named Chris Lopes. I did a video with him not too long ago with the 10th gen Civic Si versus the Mazdaspeed 3. If you guys haven't watched that, definitely check it out. But yeah, we're going to his meet. He's hosting it at a local shop that he works at called Garage 16. I'm pretty excited. It's literally like 12:20 right now. It started at 11. You guys know I don't show up to meets on time at all. Even to my own meet, I don't even show up on time. So right now we got the car all cleaned up. The wheels could be a little more clean, but whatever. But yo, she's looking freaking sick for the meet. I'm excited. I just wiped down the engine bay a little. Let's freaking go, dude. That aggressive idle though. Man, I love this car. And we have arrived, and it is my turn.
Hi there, what can I get for you?
Hi, can I get a McDouble combo?
For sure, and to drink, what would you like?
Medium strawberry banana smoothie. Sounds good. Dude, freaking old lady driving a WRX. That's pretty cool.
A few moments later.
Guys, I'm a freaking idiot. I put, instead of Garage 16, I put Garage. And it took me to, you know, like that girly freaking store? Garage. Alright, so we just arrived here. Finally, after I went to Garage. So, show you some cars. This shit is clean, bro. S2K. I like the yellow on blue, or the blue on yellow, whatever you want to call it. This is pretty clean. Type R. Gotta see a Type R at a Honda meet. Jeez. There's my bitch. Right there. A lot of Honda guys, you can say that shit. They're freaking like ripping it down the street and all that. So I guess we're definitely at a Honda meet. This is pretty clean. This shit is freaking clean. Holy shit. Jeez, look at this RDX. Holy fuck. Guys, I'm getting to love BMWs, man. Whew, this shit is clean. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Is that Chris Lopes?
Hello, sir.
Oh my god.
Hello, sir.
How's it
are
going,
ya?
man?
Long time no see.
It's good, man.
Where's your car?
Right there.
Wow. I literally just missed it.
Yeah.
You guys do not remember.
Several days later.
Alright, so it's about a week later since that meet, and so I got some new parts in, I got some new materials for the car. I'm going to show you guys this just for the preview for the next video. I hope you guys are as excited as I am when I show you this shit. Let's just say I made it happen. It's actually thanks to you guys because I finally am getting paid by YouTube. So I had all my payments on hold for about like 4 months. Long story, but it took forever to verify my address. They basically have to send you in a code to like verify your address so you can get paid, and that took forever to come in, and I'm finally getting paid. So it's kind of thanks to you guys for watching the videos. Yo, let me tell you guys, subscribing to the channel, liking, commenting, it really goes a long way. It really helps out the channel, and it helps me buy parts. All right, enough of that. Thank you again. I'm gonna stop boring you. Let me show you the mods. Look what just came in the mail. Whew. Y'all already know what this shit is. Y'all already freaking know. Let's freaking go, boys. Whew. What is that? 1, 2, 3 gauges plus the sandwich plate. And on top of that, as you can see, there is a lot of paint in here. And you may be wondering, why do you have so much paint? Well, I'll give you one small hint. And I think you guys will be able to figure it out. So it was black paint, by the way, so take a good look right here. I think you guys can guess what it is. Thank you so much for all the support on the channel and all the videos and giving me positive feedback. I'm really trying to give back, trying to make this car as sick as possible, make the content as good as possible. It's all thanks to you guys, because without you guys, like, I wouldn't have the motivation to do this, so thank you. But yeah, those parts will be installed in my next video. I hope you guys are as excited as I am. I am beyond freaking excited. You guys don't even understand. I hope you are too. I'm gonna stop talking. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Stay consistent. Peace.